August could change everything. Something big is coming. August could be one of the most important months in crypto history, and yet most people aren't paying attention. From key ETF decisions to big government moves, this month could set the pace for the rest of the bull run and even beyond. Welcome back to another episode of JRNY TV. My name is Nick, and this is where we cut through the noise and focus on what really matters in crypto. Today we are breaking down why August is the month to watch. From possible ETF approvals for Solana, XRP, and AVAX to Ethereum's upgrades and a possible Fed policy change. Also, new US laws and major shifts in Asia's crypto rules. This is a perfect storm for anyone to be bullish in crypto. At the heart of it all is the chance that the United States will create a Bitcoin strategic reserve, a move that could shift global finance and create a global rush to digital gold. Let's dive in, starting with the ETF Wave that could lift altcoins. The ETF Wave, Solana, XRP, and AVAX. All right, let's talk ETFs, because August could bring the biggest wave of crypto ETF approvals just yet. And after Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs were approved earlier this year, and they brought in billions into the market, the SEC is now under pressure to open the door for more coins. Right now, everyone's watching Solana, XRP, and AVAX. Solana is the hottest topic. Betting markets say that there's almost a 70% chance a Solana ETF gets approved this month. And that's making waves on crypto Twitter or X as well as Wall Street. If it happens, it won't just pump Solana. It will show the market that the gates are open. XRP and Avalanche are close behind, with many saying that they're next. These aren't just random coins. They power big networks. XRP is becoming a key player in banking tech. Avalanche is strong in AI and gaming with its special subnets and big partners. The SEC's view is changing, and laws like the Clarity Act, they help make it a lot more clear. These coins, they stand out to gain the most. ETF approval means big money from Wall Street can flow in, finally, without people needing to buy in exchanges or wallets, like what happened with Ethereum. Over $15 billion flowed in fast, and we might see the same exact thing align with these coins. If even one ETF is approved in August, the whole market could jump. Ethereum's upgrades. Quiet but powerful momentum. Ethereum isn't just upgrading, it's changing the game for the next 10 years to come. The Dencun upgrade in March 2024 brought big changes that cut data costs for layer 2 networks by 10 to 100 times. This helped rollups scale and cut gas fees by over 85% for smaller chains, but that was just the start. Now the focus is on Pectra, a big mid-2025 upgrade mixing Prague and Electra with 11 key improvements. It will raise the staking limit, making it easier for big holders to stake. It will also speed up data processing and make it a lot easier for layer 2 networks to join. Developers are now pushing to release updates faster and more often. No more long wait times. Ethereum also shared a 10-year plan called the Lean Ethereum Plan, aiming to reach 10,000 transactions per second on the base layer and 1 million on layer 2 with new tech. It will include strong security features and aim for near constant uptime. This plan positions Ethereum as the main platform for big Web3 projects. The community and big investors, they're paying attention. Institutional holdings of ETH have grown to $10 billion in just a few months. Developer work is up, token projects are speeding up, and trading is rising, even though the price is still under $3,500. And experts say that once these upgrades happen and real use case grows, Ethereum could have a major comeback. The Fed, government moves, and big adoption. August could change crypto's entire landscape, starting with the US Federal Reserve. After keeping interest rates high for years, many expect the Fed to start cutting rates by this September, and this could release trillions of dollars back into markets, including crypto, which tends to grow when money flows freely. But it's not just the Fed. Across Asia, governments are now updating rules to welcome crypto. Tokyo made more clear rules for exchanges. Singapore is speeding up stablecoin licenses, and the Philippines have legalized crypto custody for banks. In the United States, new laws like the Clarity Act and Genius Act, as well as the Anti-CBDC Act, have all passed, making crypto business a lot more clear and legally understandable. This global shift brings more institutional money and shows crypto is becoming a mature asset. At the same time, Bitcoin is close to becoming a strategic reserve asset. Some governments are thinking about buying Bitcoin like gold as part of their treasury plans. If just one big country does this, we will be talking major headlines around the world and a potential trigger for a demand surge. You combine that with ETF approvals, Ethereum upgrades, and positive global laws, and we could be seeing the start of a new financial era that's powered by crypto. Why August could be the most important month for crypto. August isn't just another month for crypto. It might be the perfect mix of strong reasons to be bullish on crypto. From ETF approvals to Ethereum's roadmap upgrades, global government changes, and a likely Fed policy shift, we are right now seeing the start of something much bigger than a short rally. This could be a big change in how digital assets fit into the world economy. The best part of it all? Well, most people aren't even watching yet. Fear and doubts are still high, and many investors, they're waiting on the sidelines for some type of wake-up call. But in crypto, these quiet times are often when the biggest moves happen. You don't wait for the price to shoot up. You get ready before it does. So whether you've been holding crypto for years or maybe you're just starting, either way, now is the time to focus on your plan. Ignore that noise and do not ever get greedy. If even half of what's expected in August comes to fruition, this market could look very different very soon. This is JRNY TV, and we're going to be here to guide you every single step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What part of August are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video.